Jojo Lastimosa is a clutch player, pressure player. He's been here before, many times before.
And Lastimosa like a dagger in the heart.
Jojo Lastimosa, head and shoulder take, he pulls up. Yes, Sari!
That time they work a one-on-one.
Lastimosa is free. The three-point here. That's it. Ball game is tied.
Hawkins inside to Jojo. Oh, nice, great. What a move by Jojo Lastimosa.
Governor's Cup Conference. Lastimosa goes around the defense. At si Lastimosa, hamunin si Cristan. Everybody's there, pero no defense. At doon galit na galit si Norman Blackby. Jolas. Lastimosa goes baseline, uses the left hand. It's a Vince season move.
Bad luck 13. And of course, for one team, it will be a lot.
The usual score of just one team in the first half.
That's right. Here's another. Many times before. Kanya dapat
Out pass to Jojo Lastimosa. Referee Tito Barrera holds play. At medyo nakatitigal itong si Arenzo at saka si Jolas. Kevin Holland, nilabas kay Jolas. Lastimosa with a 3-point shot! At right corner court, lumapit. Jolas, amid the jeers of the crowd. Last Milky, yung kalamangan. Jolas! Yes!
Super one-on-one move by Jojo Lastimosa.
Lastimosa nakalibre. Lastimosa, yes! 92 to 91. Labas ulit kay Jolas, he's open. Lumapit sa loob, subaksak. Jojo Lastimosa scores! At lamang ang oras ka ng isa, 95-94, 1 minute and 19 seconds. Medyo nahuli lang yung pasa, but Lastimosa pulls up, no problem. Whoever it would have been, no? Samantala, Jojo Lastimosa scores! Jojo Lastimosa, head and shoulder take, he pulls up. Yes, Sari! Nalabas kay Jolas, 6 seconds on the shot clock. Open shot for Jolas! And Jojo comes up with some big points to give us a 1-point lead. Gotta go to Lastimosa now. Let them. Ito na si Lastimosa. From the side, yeah! Have to go Jojo! Lastimosa, even though he's tired. Jojo Lastimosa has 13 points, 10 of them here in the second half. Jojo Lastimosa, the Philippines wins the bronze medal.
Lastimosa, who else?
Penetrates. Misses Lastimosa.
Oh, yes. Big basket. Every clutch basket.
Ball pitch. Lastimosa.
Yes! With a foul! Big free throw.
Lastimosa, walang isolation because Anton ng double team, but he beats the double team in Jojo Lastimosa.
Gordons, ito ang kakayahan ng Gordons. Labang sila. But Jojo Lastimosa still at it.
Out to Lastimosa.
Yes.
Lastimosa connects. And it's an 8-0 score para sa panig ng Alaska. Kita. Jojo with a 3-point shot. And Lastimosa like a dagger in the heart, Dr. J.
Guard number 6, Jojo Lastimosa.
8 puntos po ang kalamangan ngayon ng RSJ over the veteran Jojo Lastimosa with a turnaround jumper.
Philippines, Lastimosa, ball fake, jump shot. Only a
Nice drop pass.
and it will count. Lastimosa getting his 5th point. Galit sa akin. Ito si Lastimosa. Kita mo naman gumalaw. Lastimosa getting a basket in the Philippines.
Padim. Ooh, he faked a shot. Jojo goes up. 3 men on him. One more time. Yes, sir.
Galing sa labas, Jojo Lastimosa, however, with the offensive putback. White shirts have not scored here in the third quarter.
Gordon's off the double team on Chris King.
Another pass on Kevin Holland underneath to Jojo Lastimosa. Second personal foul.
In spite of a small unit inside, Lastimosa one-on-one against Distrito, getting the layup. Almost got a
hit with the foul. That was his fourth. See that?
of those shots of Swift came off the fast break.
Jojo with a 3.
Jojo Lastimosa from 3-point.
23-59. We're 45 seconds into the fourth period.
John Chambers gets it back to Jolas. Jojo Lastimosa got the bounce.
As itself brought to you by Emperador Brandy. Enjoy it like a king.
No shots for Jojo.
The wake-up call. Wala. Will Marong offensive rebound. Nasa ilalim siya. And there's going to be a foul. And a lot of color now taking place, Kinito.
Well, the action has been very physical from the start.
And then yun, medyo susundot siya. Doon tinawagan ng foul. There was a attempt by Lastimosa with a strong move para pasimulan itong fourth quarter at hinataw siya ni Will Merong. That will send Jojo Lastimosa to the free throw line. At Kinito, as we take a look at this replay, mukhang Gordon's Gin now beginning to lose its composure here.
Sa larong ito, on the other hand, maganda yata ang